This is a 2017 Mercedes GLE 350 W166. Today's fault, as you can see, is the auxiliary battery malfunction warning has come up on the dash. And we're going to run over the location of the battery so that you can change it yourself. Now, in great Mercedes wisdom, the battery location itself is right underneath that rear passenger seat. So we've got a right hand model and it's under that one right there. Right, this job's quite simple in itself. If you lift this passenger seat forward, the battery is located right under that black mounting plate. Right, all you need to do is remove the bolts that secure the rear of the seat, then lift the seat forwards. To get to the rear mounted bolts, you'll have to remove these cargo mounts. You've got a simple pop off plastic cover and a bolt underneath those. And as you can see, the auxiliary battery is actually under the rear left passenger seat. You have to remove the seat in its entirety and pull the carpet back to actually find the auxiliary battery there. Right next to the door shut.